Hello and welcome to Imperial Distributors Canada Inc. online instructional video. This video will show you how to download any past invoices. Once you've logged in, click on Account and click Download Invoices. Here you will have a month's worth of a date range. Please note that you can only look up a month at a time. If I would like to look up any additional months, I must make sure to backdate it. For example, I would like to look up an invoice that was from February of 2021. Once you press Submit, you will see here that your invoices can now be downloaded in Excel format. Once you open up the Excel file, you will see your invoice date and invoice numbers here, and any other information you may need. We thank you for watching this instructional video, and we hope it was helpful. For any other questions, please do not hesitate to contact customer service.